Ever imagine driving a car that just keeps going and going? No breakdowns or no check engine lights, even after 200,000 miles or more? Well, it's not a dream. Some cars are truly built to last. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel, Road Kings and Rust, where horsepower meets knowledge. Today we're counting down the vehicles that just won't quit. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. We're not just revealing the cars that crossed 1,000,000 miles. We've also got some expert tips and tricks along the way that you definitely don't want to miss. From family cars to off-road beasts, these vehicles will change your thoughts about reliability. Let's get started. Kicking things off with a car that really stands the test of time, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. This isn't just your average luxury vehicle, it's a legend of durability. Manufactured between 1984 and 1995, the W124 is one of those cars that just won't quit. Over-engineered by Mercedes, it's known for lasting well over 500,000 miles with just basic maintenance, and the diesel engines are particularly durable. But honestly, even the regular models are built to handle years of use without much trouble. If you're after a reliable and affordable luxury car, the W124 is worth considering. It comes from a time when Mercedes was all about quality. Even the high-performance 500e, later known as the E500, was developed with Porsche. But don't worry, the standard W124 still offers great value. It's a smart way to own a Mercedes without breaking the bank, and you get the same legendary durability and reliability that the brand is known for. If this ride already impressed you, just wait. Up next is a car that takes durability to a whole new level, and you won't believe what it can withstand. Next up, the Chevrolet Suburban. With its spacious interior and strong engine options, the Suburban has been a top choice for large families and anyone who needs a big, reliable SUV. Especially the 2012 and later models have been extremely reliable, offering plenty of room for passengers and gear. Some owners have reported their Suburbans lasting well past 300,000 miles, especially the diesel versions, which also offer impressive fuel efficiency. The Chevrolet Suburban is an excellent pick if you're looking for a durable family vehicle that'll keep going for years. Think the Suburban is solid? Well, buckle up, because the next vehicle might just outlast everything in ways you won't expect. The Toyota Camry. Known for its no-nonsense design and incredible longevity, the Camry has become a favorite for anyone who needs a car that won't quit. It's got a solid engine that delivers great fuel efficiency, up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway, and it's not uncommon for Camrys to last over 600,000 miles. The sedan is built to last, with low maintenance costs and high resale value. If you want something that won't break the bank in repairs and still delivers a solid performance, the Toyota Camry is one of the best options out there. Next, let's not forget an underrated gem, the Subaru Legacy. Known for its all-wheel drive system, the Legacy is perfect for anyone who loves to drive in all kinds of weather. Whether you're cruising through snowstorms or just enjoying a smooth ride on the highway, this vehicle can handle it all. Many models, especially the 2004 through 2009 versions, have proven their durability and longevity, with some reaching 300,000 miles or more. The 3-liter flat-six engine in the 2004 Legacy gives it serious power, and it's a lot of fun to drive. However, you should remember that the later models with CVT transmissions didn't perform as well, so sticking with the 2005 to 2009 models is a smart move. The Subaru Legacy is a solid choice if you need an affordable and durable car that can go the distance. Now, if you think the Subaru Legacy is tough, wait until you hear about the truck with a reputation for dependability. The Nissan Frontier is one of those trucks that just keeps going. J.D. Power's long-term dependability studies have consistently ranked it as one of the most reliable mid-sized trucks on the market. And that's not just the hype. It's built with a simple design, rigid frame, and engines made to last, not just chase after the latest performance trends. Older models from the early 2000s often hit 250,000 or 300,000 miles, with hardly any issue. Heck, a 2017 Frontier even hit 1,000,000 miles on its original V6. While newer trucks are all about fancy features, the Frontier sticks with what works, making it a favorite among many work truck buyers and off-road lovers. And of course, we can't leave a car that proves slow and steady really wins the race, the Volkswagen Beetle. A true legend. This vehicle didn't need luxury or high power to earn its place in history. Designed in the 1930s, it became famous for its toughness and simplicity. The air-cooled engine had fewer parts, making it more reliable and easier to maintain with basic tools. No fancy mechanics required. What makes the Beetle special is its durability. Some have reached over 500,000 miles, proving that slow and steady really does win the race. It wasn't built for speed or luxury, but for reliability, which is why it became such an icon. The Beetle's design may date back decades, but it's still considered nearly invincible. It's the ultimate underdog car, simple, practical, and capable of withstanding the test of time. Whether cruising or enduring harsh conditions, the Beetle's legendary status remains undeniable. Now let's talk about something a little more practical for the average commuter. Enter the Honda Accord. The Accord has been around for over 40 years, and in that time, it has built a reputation for reliability that's nothing short of legendary. This car isn't flashy. It's not trying to impress anyone with turbocharged engines or leather seats. No, the Accord is like that dependable friend who always shows up on time, has their life together, and somehow still finds a way to get things done, no matter the odds. A well-maintained Honda Accord can easily cross the 300,000-mile mark, with some going even further. It's not about speed, it's about endurance, and the Accord's got it in spades. If you're in the market for something a bit more family-oriented, this one might just be your next best friend. Next up, the Honda Odyssey. This minivan has been a go-to for families since 1994, and for good reason. The 2022 model also earned a solid reliability score of 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power, proving it's built to last. Many Odyssey owners have cruised past 300,000 miles, and some have even hit the 400,000-mile mark. What makes this van such a beast? It's got low maintenance costs, great resale value, and is packed with top safety features, earning the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Top Safety Pick. If you're looking for a durable, family-friendly vehicle, the Honda Odyssey definitely deserves a spot on your list. If the minivan isn't your style, keep watching. We've got some seriously cool vehicles up next that might just be the kind of ride you're looking for. But we can't talk about cars that last without mentioning this iconic truck, the Ford F-150. This iconic American truck is a legend for a reason. The F-150 has been around for decades and is one of the most dependable trucks you'll find. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck is built to last. The F-150's EcoBoost engine, especially in the 2011 to 2012 models, offers both power and fuel efficiency. J.D. Power regularly ranks the F-150 for its durability, and many owners report that their trucks are still going strong after 300,000 miles. If you need something tough and reliable that can carry a load and handle harsh conditions, the Ford F-150 is your ride. If you're loving the breakdown so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know if any of these cars caught you off guard. Now let's see what's up next on our list. The Subaru Outback. Known for its all-wheel drive and rugged reliability, this wagon has built a cult following over the years. And it's not just for hipsters with outdoor hobbies. Subaru owners are fiercely loyal to the brand because their Outbacks have been through it all. Snowstorms, bad roads, and long commutes, and still come out on top. With proper maintenance, it's not unheard of for an Outback to hit 300,000 miles. So if you're planning a life full of adventure, the Outback is more than up for the challenge. And let's be honest, it's probably been to places the average vehicle could never see. Now here's the thing. It's not just about reliability when you're looking for a car that will outlive you. It's about getting a vehicle that'll go the distance without giving you constant headaches or costly repairs. What do you think? Are there any cars you'd add to this list of longest lasting vehicles? We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories in the comments down below. Which car do you trust to last for years? And which one has surprised you with its endurance? If this video helped you find your next reliable ride, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a breakdown on the best vehicles that are built to last. Stick around, there's more coming up, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Now the Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser isn't just a car. It's a legend built for survival. Trusted in war zones, deserts, jungles, and mountains, this vehicle has proven itself in some of the most demanding environments on Earth. Toyota's magic lies in its simple, durable design, tough engines, heavy-duty transmissions, and mechanics that are built to last. The Land Cruiser's 4.2-liter diesel engine in the 70 series or the 4.7-liter V8 in the 100 series are made for longevity, not speed. That's why over 80% of all Land Cruisers ever built are still on the road today. a staggering fact for a car that's been around since 1951. In fact, the Land Cruiser is America's longest-lasting vehicle, with over 18% hitting 200,000 miles, and globally, it's not unusual to see them cruising past 500,000 miles, proving this car is more than reliable. It's practically immortal. The Land Cruiser may have been a beast, but next up is a sports car that defies expectations for durability. Let's talk about the Mazda MX Miata. This little sports car might surprise you on the reliability test, but it's a true standout. The Miata's lightweight design and simple 1.6-liter or 1.8-liter inline-4 engine make it one of the longest-lasting sports cars around. With no complicated parts or turbos, it's built to be reliable, and owners often push their Miatas past 250,000 miles with ease. Thanks to its low-stress drivetrain, the Miata has some of the lowest long-term maintenance costs of any sports car. It's not just for daily driving. People take them to the track, autocross, and twisty back roads, and yet they still keep running strong. In fact, the Miata ranked among the top sports cars for reliability in J.D. Power's 2023 study. Mazda's philosophy of keep it simple, keep it durable means you get fun and longevity all in one. If you want a vehicle that blends off-road toughness with incredible reliability, look no further than the Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is known for its toughness and ability to handle off-road challenges, but when it comes to reliability, it's a true champion. Built with a body-on-frame design and a strong V6 engine, the 4Runner is made to endure tough conditions, and it does so without breaking a sweat. Regular maintenance can keep it running for years, and it's not uncommon for these vehicles to hit over 400,000 miles. While some SUVs have softened over the years, the 4Runner has stuck to its rugged roots. It's perfect for those who need a reliable, off-road vehicle that can handle anything. The drivetrain is incredibly durable, and many owners report their 4Runner still runs strong after years of harsh use. If you're looking for a vehicle that can go the distance without major issues, the Toyota 4Runner is a solid pick. You won't be disappointed by its longevity and toughness. Now let's take a look at a ride that redefines luxury and longevity, the Lexus LS400. The Lexus LS400 is a true legend in the luxury sedan world, known for its exceptional reliability, and journalist Matt Farah even took his LS400 to 1,000,000 miles, proving just how durable this car really is. When it first launched in 1989, it changed the game for luxury vehicles by offering unmatched reliability and a smooth, quiet ride. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful V8 engine that's built to last for decades, offering long-term performance without significant issues. The cabin of the LS400 is comfortable and well-insulated, enhancing its appeal and making it a top choice for those seeking both luxury and dependability. Maintenance costs are low compared to other luxury cars. Owners report few problems, even with high mileage. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that'll stand the test of time, the Lexus LS400 is definitely one of the best options out there. Last but not least, let's talk about a truck so tough, it's practically bulletproof, the Toyota Hilux. If there's one car that screams indestructible, it's the Toyota Hilux. This isn't just a reliable truck, it's a global legend. Its reputation is so strong that it almost feels like a joke, but the facts back it up. Top Gear once tried to destroy a Hilux. They dropped it from a crane, submerged it in the ocean, and set it on fire, yet it still drove away. That wasn't luck, it was Toyota's top-notch engineering. Introduced in 1968, the Hilux was built to be a rugged, no-nonsense workhorse, with simple mechanics, tough suspension, and engines made for durability. It's the perfect truck for any harsh environment, whether it's the Australian outback, African deserts, or South American mountain villages. These trucks often exceed 500,000 miles on their original parts. The Hilux has been sold in over 180 countries, making it one of the most globally trusted vehicles. It even holds the record for the highest altitude reached by a 4x4, climbing over 21,000 feet in the Andes. If you're looking for a ride that'll last for generations, the Hilux is your best bet. So there you have it, a few of the cars that'll outlive you. Whether you're looking for something practical, sporty, or luxurious, these vehicles have proven they can go the distance. What's your longest lasting car? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and tips on finding the best car for long-term ownership. See you in the next one.